Welcome back to the shop. It's the 20th of May, 2019.
Hi everybody.
Happy birthday, Michael.
And congratulations on your graduation.
Yeah, congratulations on the milestone of the birthday and of the graduation. Really proud of you.
At the same time. Great party, by the way. Great
party.
food.
Yeah, great time up there. A lot of neat folks. Thank you.
I even caught some fish.
Yeah, you did. It was kind of the perfect day. Perfect day. Guys, believe it or not, it's 1 month away from June 21st, the first day of summer. We're not that far, although it kind of felt like summer this weekend. Alrighty, guys, let's move on. It was really, really good tea and a little bit of ice in there. Alrighty, this week in the shop and projects completed. We completed, or I say we, Mama completed the wedding centerpieces that we were working on. Those were rectangular boxes with round dowel legs, piece of plywood on the bottom, put some bling around. Really look nice. Can't release any pictures of it until after the wedding, and if we can get them back, or at least long enough, get pictures of them after the wedding and everything, we'll do that. I don't think we'll take.
I've got pictures.
Oh, you got pictures of them?
I got pictures.
Good. And we'll release those pictures after the wedding at the end of this month.
Risa was very excited.
All right. And we continued to work on the plant stands. And if you look at the thumbnail for this video, that's what I'm holding in my hand. Is all the plant stand sides that we cut. Well, not all of them, but
that's not the sides, it's the columns.
The columns,
the center columns.
The center columns. We'll be working on those tonight, getting those finished, nailed together, and things like that. And we got to put the top on, which we got cut. We set up a little jig, cut the tops and the bottoms yesterday.
Yep, that was fun.
Yeah, got that all set up, and Mama got to see the value of setting up a jig and being able to reproduce a cut.
Boom, 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 boom.
Really, really well. Worked extremely well. Let's see, Mama painted the cupcake stands. If you remember last week when I came on, that's what I came on when I walked on the video with, is the cupcake stands, and it kind of looks something like this right here. So this is what the bottom's going to look like.
See what the top looks like?
Yeah, let's put a top on here so they can kind of see. But if you remember, it was just raw steel, really didn't look like that much, so we cut out bottoms on here, and then the tops are going to go like this. And then this will all be put together this evening. We're calling these cupcake stands, although that, of course, can be used for anything. So those come out really, really pretty. I mean, and silver is the color of this wedding, so it looks good. Daniel dropped off 6 really beautiful oak logs this past Saturday while we were at Michael's graduation and birthday party over on the other side of the lake. Daniel dropped off those logs, and really, really beautiful logs. I was excited about it when I got home and ran out there and immediately took a look at it. Really impressive logs. All right, guys, let's move on.
What are they? They're white oak. Didn't he say they were white oak?
White oak logs. All righty, upcoming for 2 dogs. We're going to finish all this wedding stuff up this week. We're going to finish up the cupcake stands, which probably will get done tonight. We're actually going to nail the center columns for the plant stands together tonight. Then we'll have to cut them to length, and then we'll have to put the bottom and the top. Now, the bottom and top we're making to where they're removable so she can store them at home when she's done with this wedding. We're actually making a video of that, so y'all will be able to see that process. And it's we're changing over our video style a little bit. You'll notice the changeover in that video. It's going to be real rough. Then we got some other videos that we're working on, but we'll talk more about that in a minute. We're going to work on the bathroom over at the house and get it squared away. This is a work weekend. Yeah, Michael's coming from Atlanta. Jay's coming from Augusta. Daniel's coming from Harlem. We're going to have a good time, I think, on this 3-day Memorial Day weekend. You see we got a red, white, and blue up for our Memorial Day weekend. That'll stay up now till up through 4th of July.
4th of July, yep.
About Labor Day. But,
might add some things to it.
It'll be added to as we go along like we always do. But this will be a busy weekend as we try to get that bathroom upgraded. Probably some pictures of that, no video though. All right.
We're doing a bathroom and a laundry room with an extra toilet and sink. Yep. So we'll have 2 technical bathrooms.
Finally, now that we don't need
now that we don't have all them kids.
All right. We maybe saw a log or 2. I need to cut up a couple more pine. I got 2 or 3 more pine logs that, remember, I rescued from a guy up the road here that I need to get cut up. And then we've got 1 log in particular that Daniel brought us this weekend. We're all kind of chomping at the bits. Mama wants to get into it. I want to get into it. Daniel's excited about it. Now, if we get to that, we cut that log, there will be a video of that in our new video style. So look forward to that if we actually get a chance to do that. But we're doing a bathroom makeover. We're not sure if that's going to happen. Alrighty, we're going to release 2 videos probably this week besides this vlog video. Is it vlog or vlog? Do you know? Because
I think it's. I thought it was blog, starting with a
so we're
B.
going to do a vlog. Besides our vlog video tonight that we're doing, we're going to release video. I think it's number 7 of the tree build. Now, there's some problems with that video, and I've mentioned it before. We've lost all the video footage. So all you'll get is the intro, a little bit of a slideshow, but more importantly, a picture of the finished product sitting on stage. Alrighty, then the next video, I told you a little bit already, we're changing our video style. We're going to try to make it a little bit faster, a little quicker, less draggy, less kind of talking and just blank information like I'm giving you now. But it's going to be a new video. I'm looking forward to releasing it by Friday. I think I'll do the final tree build video on Wednesday. This vlog video will go out on Tuesday. Friday, look for our new video style if I get a chance to get it out. Let us know what you think about it. Let us know if you want us to go back to the old style. Let us stay with the new style. Maybe change altogether. Let us know. Alrighty guys, let's move on. Well, I think that's about it for this evening. We're going to get ready here in just a minute. Put this guy to work. Building on those columns. Red, do you have anything?
No, just if anybody knows of any shows for next month. I know we got a baby coming next month, and we've got a wedding next month, and we got some other things going on, but if there are any shows that we might be able to go to, just holler at us.
Yeah, let us know either in the comments below or text us and let us know. Alright, I really think that is really about all for this evening. As always, thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's really noisy when you drop a cast aluminum nail gun on a wooden table. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 20th of June. I lost where I was. 22 is in June? Yeah,
no, it is not June.
It's May.
We're May.
May. Holy cow. Holy cow. Where did June from? Oh, summer. I was thinking about the first day of summer.